They said it couldn't be done. They said a bear with no thumbs could never master the ancient art of Italian bread. Today, Chef Bernie proves them wrong. Every legendary loaf begins with precision. Bernie weighs out 250 grams of Manitoba flour, then 200 grams of semola rimacinata. The strong, stubborn durum wheat semola every serious Italian nonna keeps locked in a cabinet guarded by a shotgun. He tips them together into one bowl and gives them a good, brisk mix. 2 flours, 1 destiny. Now for the liquid gold. Bernie pours 290 grams of lukewarm water into the basket like he's filling a bathtub for a very small, very doughy friend. Next, 15 grams of extra virgin olive oil. That's about 1 generous tablespoon, or as Bernie calls it, 1 glug of Italian sunshine. Time for the flour mix to make its grand entrance. Using his trusty sieve, in 2 dramatic passes, Bernie showers the flour blend directly over the water, blanketing it completely. Total coverage, no survivors. But a true loaf demands balance. In one corner, 9 grams of fine salt, about a teaspoon and a half. In the opposite corner, 5 grams of sugar, 1 level teaspoon, added with the confidence of a bear who has definitely done this before. Salt and sugar, sworn enemies, must never touch directly. It's basically bread machine feng shui. Into this sacred crater goes 15 grams of Paniangeli dehydrated sourdough starter with yeast. And Bernie, this is important. That little packet already comes loaded with its own baker's yeast. Nitrogen monoxide, extra yeast needed? Add more and you will not get bread. You will get a science experiment. Flour, semola, water, oil, salt, sugar, and the mighty Paniangeli, layered in perfect order, untouched, unmixed. For now. Chef Bernie is ready. The basket goes into the bread machine. He selects the correct 750-gram program, the one that kneads, rises, and bakes all in one glorious sequence. Total time, at least 3 hours of pure, patient magic. And it begins. The machine starts to knead, and Chef Bernie cannot look away. Round and round goes the paddle, and round go Bernie's eyes. Somewhere between minute 1 and minute 40, Bernie forgets he is a bear, forgets he is a chef, and simply becomes one with the rotation. But duty calls. Every so often, Bernie snaps out of his trance to check on progress. First the rise, peering through the little window like a bear checking on a spaceship launch. Then later, the bake. Golden edges forming. The smell of Casareccio bread starting to fill the air. Tell it not too loud. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next year. Right now, this pillow sounds legendary. 3 hours, 1 destiny. The moment has arrived. Chef Bernie lifts the basket from the machine. And there it is. The Casareccio loaf, perfectly risen, beautifully baked. Now the moment every viewer has been waiting for. Chef Bernie takes the knife and cuts. Soft, fluffy, ready to eat. Well done, Chef Bernie.